In this article, we discuss the stocks that Michael Burry is betting against and selling. If you want to skip our detailed analysis of these stocks, go directly to Michael Burry is betting against Cathie Wood's fund, Tesla, and selling these two other stocks. Michael Burry, the investor who rocketed to fame on Wall Street by betting against the housing bubble that led to the financial meltdown in 2009, recently revealed another bearish bet against perhaps the most successful exchange-traded fund of the past year or so, the ARK Innovation ETF, NYSE, ARKK, owned and managed by Cathie Wood of ARK Investment Management. Burry, who manages Scion Asset Management, oversees more than $2 billion in assets with the top holdings concentrated in the consumer goods and technology sectors. According to regulatory filings, mandated by law for hedge funds managing over $100 million in assets and due 45 days after the end of each fiscal quarter, Scion Asset Management owned put options against 235,500 shares of ARK Innovation ETF, NYSE, ARKK, that are worth close to $31 million. This holding was a new addition to the portfolio of Scion in the second quarter compared to the filings for the first quarter. Burry, who is often the subject of criticism due to his frequent market crash predictions, recently predicted the mother of all crashes. Burry took aim at soaring valuations in his prediction and has historically not been an admirer of investing in technology companies. ARK Innovation ETF, NYSE, ARKK, after peaking 7 months ago, has since fallen over 25%. The fund, which returned 152% to investors last year, is the subject of short-selling attempts by other hedge funds too. According to a report in the Wall Street Journal, Laurian Capital Management, Golden Tree Asset Management, Moore Capital Management, and Cormorant Asset Management all hold bearish positions on the fund. Cathie Wood, who champions the disruptive innovation investment strategy that has won the hearts of retail investors, an important market force in recent months, and made her one of the most popular hedge fund managers, took to social networking platform Twitter to outline her position on her ARK Innovation ETF, NYSE, ARKK, saying that she believed that Burry did not completely understand the fundamentals that were creating explosive growth and investment opportunities in the innovation space. It remains to be seen whether the bet Burry has made against ARK Innovation ETF, NYSE, ARKK, pays off in the long run. His hedge fund is not afraid of taking tech-related risks, as some critics point out. Some of the top holdings in the portfolio of Scion Asset Management at the end of the second quarter of 2021 were Facebook Incorporated, Nasdaq, FB, Walmart Incorporated, NYSE, WMT, Alphabet Incorporated, Nasdaq, Goog, the Kraft Heinz Company, Nasdaq, KHC, and CVS Health Corporation, NYSE, CVS, among others.